let's get on It's a Small World. It's like one of the only classic rides still left at Magic Kingdom. So we should absolutely do it for this YouTube channel. Thank you. Oh my God, this is the good seat. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this whole ride. I'm not gonna say anything. Once it starts, I'm gonna be very quiet.
I'm the old captain there. The old sea dog.
Oh yeah. I can't say anything about the people behind me.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you.
Here we go. Enjoy the show. Oh, okay.
Pies y piernas dentro del barco. Y cuide los pequeñitos. Gracias. Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you. Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco. Y cuide los pequeñitos. Gracias. Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you. Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en el muelle y se le pida que desembarque. Gracias. Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you. Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en el muelle y se le pida que desembarque. Gracias. Please remain seated until the boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you. Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en el muelle y se le pida que desembarque. Gracias. Please remain seated until the boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark.
Joe. Oof, that was a long ride. Joe, we'll be on TikTok tomorrow. Your boy is trying to diversify. You know, it's funny. I had my YouTube going before my TikTok. And my TikTok started around 2017. I've had this YouTube going for a long time, and I just switched over, and things worked out better for me over on TikTok. But I never stopped posting on YouTube. I just didn't do it as frequent. But it is good to see that YouTube has improved a lot since I stopped going live on it.